Hi there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a desktop shortcut in Windows 10. Hope you find this guide useful. If you do, please help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay, so if we just open up File Explorer, and I'm going to create a shortcut to the Documents folder here. So all you need to do is just right click on the folder and select Copy. Then if you put your mouse over a free space at the desktop, just right click. Do not do paste because it's going to paste the whole contents of that documents folder. We need to select paste shortcut. So we can see here it's got a shortcut. We can tell it's a shortcut because it's got the little arrow there. So if you just right click on there and click on rename, you can then rename this icon as well. So if we just look here, if we go into there, we can see it's got a map folder. If we now double click on this folder, it's gone straight to that location. It can be quite helpful if you use that folder quite a lot. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut to an application. So if you click on Start, I'm going to show you Notepad. So if you type in Notepad, so I want to create a shortcut to this program so I don't have to keep on clicking on the Start menu to access it. So if you just right click on it, there's no copy function here. So what we need to do is if you click on Open File Location, it's going to find where that file is on your machine and it's going to automatically highlight it. So we just need to repeat the same process again. So if you just right click on there and go to Copy, and then on your desktop just right click and do Paste Shortcut. Again, you can rename it anything you want, but if you just double click on it, it's going to launch Notepad. Okay, if you've got any questions on this process, please post them in a comment below and I'll help you out if you need it. But thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.